If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. John Quincy Adams. Good morning, everyone, to this spectacular day. I, Radha, and I welcome you all to this most auspicious occasion of our school, as our students stand on the brink of a new chapter of their lives. The investiture ceremony is a platform to showcase the leadership skills and abilities of our students and is one of the most prestigious school events.
Thus, dear audience, you may discover the beauty of this beautiful day as the event gradually starts to blossom. As this day marks down as the investiture ceremony of New Horizons Scholars School.
Whether we realize it or not, prayer is the encounter of God's thirst with us. Now, I welcome Gurleen Kaur to begin this auspicious day with a traditional prayer.
Dear Lord, we are calling upon you today for your divine guidance and help to make this investiture a success. We also need a supporting hand to keep us from temptation of the devil. We ask that you guide us with your infinite wisdom to show us the right way to a properly and orderly mannered investiture. This we ask of you through Christ our Lord. Amen.
Thank you, Gurleen, for reciting the prayer. Now let us invite Sadhna Ravindra from class 12D to recite the prayer song.
The heavens are blue, proclaiming to you the glory of God the Creator. At sunset or night, they're a beautiful sight. They show forth the glory of God. The heavens are blue, proclaiming to you the glory of God the Creator. At sunset or night, they're a beautiful sight. They show forth the glory of God. Author the beauty God on high. It is for you that I sigh. As long as I live, my love I shall give to you, Lord my God most high. As long as I live, my love I shall give to you, Lord my God most high. And all of my days I will sing to your praise. I'll adore you, my God most high. The surging of seas and the wind in the trees breathe the music of God in nature. In songs of a bird, nature's witness is heard. They sing forth the glory of God. The surging of seas and the wind in the trees breathe the music of God in nature. In songs of a bird, nature's witness is heard. They sing forth the glory of God. Author the beauty God on high. It is for you that I sigh. As long as I live, my love I shall give to you, Lord my God most high. As long as I live, my love I shall give to you, Lord my God most high. And all of my days I will sing to your praise. I'll adore you, my Lord most high. I'll adore you, my God most high. I'll adore you, my God most high.
Thank you for such a refreshing prayer song. Dancing is one of the oldest and deepest forms of meditation. It is one of the most beautiful and powerful ways to express yourself. Now, let's invite Riya Manoharan to perform an invoking and graceful dance performance.
Ta drum ta drum ta dhadam ko tak tak ko da da gada 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 ta drum ta ka drum ta kita ta da ta jum kita ta jum ta 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 num ta 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 rum ta ta kita ta ta tang kita ta ta ri ta ta dana ta ta run ta ta dim ta ta da jum ta ta num ta ta rum ta ga dim ta kita ta dim ta ta kita ta jum dim da ta ta jum nam da ta ta jum tam ta kita dana ta ta tang kita dim ta ta jum dim da kita jum da kita jum da jum da kita ta jum kita
for such a ravishing performance. Now, let us invite Burhanuddin Mala from grade 12B to give the welcome speech.
Good morning everyone. I am Sakshi Bhimani from grade 12th B, and today I would take the opportunity to welcome every one of you on this special occasion of the school, the investiture ceremony. First, let me congratulate all the previous leaders as they have served our school well, and I hope that the experience that they have gained by leading the students of such a wonderful school will surely help them in the coming future. Now, to the upcoming leaders, your investiture marks a major milestone in building your personality as a leader. It is an opportunity to learn, experience and inspire. The students have seen potential in you and have chosen you as a leader. As the wise men say, leaders become great not because of their powers but because of their ability to empower others. Today, we're about to witness the new leaders taking the mantle of responsibility as they prove themselves worthy of holding the pride of the school and abide by the rules and regulations. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started.
Thank you, Sakshi, for such a powerful speech. Now, I take the opportunity to introduce our chief guest of the day, who is none other than our esteemed Regional Director, Principal of New Horizons College School, Dr. Jyoti Nair, to take over the stage for her address.
The greatest leader is not necessarily the one who does the greatest things. He is the one who makes other people do the greatest things. Now we begin with the pinning of badges. The pinning of badges due to the pandemic situation has to be done by the parents. I would like to request the parents of the student council body to start with the pinning of badges and instill within the students a sense of duty and pride.
Now we invite the Earth House Vice Captain, Shreya Raja.
Hello everyone, my name is Shreya Raja and I am your Earth House Vice Captain. Thank you for considering me suitable for this post, and I will serve you to the best of my ability.
Continuing with the ceremony, the next comes the Earth House Captain, Ms. Nandini Lahoti from grade 9B.
I, Nandini Lahoti, am the elected captain for the Earth House for the year of 2021 to 2022. I believe the essence of leadership lies in influence and not in authority. A leader is one who stands in the front and leads and guides people, but also the one who remains behind and helps everybody move along. And I would like to be that person for you. I promise to always try to make my school proud. I will always try to work with all my zeal and passion and determination and work in collaboration with each one of you. I will try my best and work persistently for the excellence of our house and our school. I would like to express my gratitude for the enlightening visions of our school heads, our hardworking teachers, my fellow school aspirants who believed in me and my abilities. I will always try and like to keep my New Horizons Scholars School banner flying high up in the sky, mounted with love, hoisted with dignity, and flying with grace. With that, I would like to thank every one of you for the support you have shown. Because maybe I cannot, but together we can. Thank you.
Next we have the Jupiter Vice Captain, Vihan Tiwari.
Hi everyone, I am Vihan Tiwari of Grade 8B, your new Jupiter House Vice Captain. I would like to thank everyone for this incredible opportunity, and I promise to lead Jupiter House to new heights. Thank you and stay safe.
Next comes the Jupiter House Captain, Miss Shriya Atul Kulkarni from Grade 9H.
Good morning to everyone present here. I am Shriya Kulkarni from 9 Pets and I stand before you as the captain of Jupiter House. I would like to thank Director Ma'am, Principal Ma'am and all our dear teachers for contesting this online elections. I would like to thank all my friends and everyone who has voted for me and believed in me. I am very honoured and grateful to be your captain. Thank you so much.
Next in line is the Mars House Vice Captain, Arya Pradhan.
My warm greetings to all. My name is Arya Pradhan from Grade 8G. Thank you everyone for considering me suitable for this post. I will definitely give my best as your Vice Captain of Mars House.
Coming up next is the Mars House Captain, Ms. Gargi Ganesh Guge from Grade 9F.
I am Gargi Guge and I am the Mars House Captain. So first of all, I would start by thanking each one of you for choosing me as the House Captain. So today, I am here to speak on various important topics that will enhance our connection as I being your captain and you being my house members. So first of all, I would start by describing the responsibilities. According to me, the main responsibilities for me being as captain is to maintain discipline and lead my house in events and competitions and to make sure that each member in my house is actively participating. Now, when it comes in taking parts in events and competitions, I will try my best, if possible, to arrange various fun activities such as quiz, dancing and singing competitions to keep us engaged during this pandemic and to also enhance our talent. And if you need any help or any suggestion, I am always available for you. And also, I would try my best to make my house excel in all other terms. With this, I would like to end my speech. Thank you.
Next in line, we have the Neptune House Vice Captain, Isha Mohurikar.
I would like to thank all of you for selecting me as the Vice Captain of Neptune House. And I assure all of you that I will be a competent, responsible and trustworthy leader to all the members of the Neptune House. And I hope that this pandemic ends quickly so that I can interact with you at school. But for now, stay home, stay safe, and once again, thank you for choosing me as the Vice Captain of Neptune House.
Next up is the Neptune House Captain, Ms. Sachi Sinha from Grade 9D.
morning everyone. I am Sachi Sinha from 9B and I am the Neptune House captain. I would like to sincerely thank everyone who supported me, believed in me and gave me this wonderful opportunity. I promise to fulfill all my duties and help you all so that together we can achieve great heights. I am very grateful to all of you. Thank you once again.
Next we have the assistant head girl, Divya Sinwani.
Greetings to all. I am Divya Sindwani, the junior head girl of the academic year 2021 and 22. It is a matter of great distinction to be humbled by your faith reposed in me as the junior head girl of such an eminent school. I thank all of them who believed in me and my abilities. I would extend my sincere thanks towards Principal Ma'am and all the teachers who inculcated these capabilities in me. I would also like to thank all my friends and the students who voted for me. I stand here to work in collaboration with all of you so that we can achieve the best for our school. I promise to work with devotion and be a bridge between the students and the teachers and try my level best for my role. Thank you.
Coming up next is the assistant head boy, Master Aditya Vegankar from grade 10F.
Good morning to one and all present here. Myself Aditya from grade 10 and I am the assistant head boy for this academic year 2021 and 2022. I want to thank all of you for giving me an opportunity to be a part of the student council. I also want to thank our respected director ma'am, vice principal ma'am, teachers and my fellow students for encouraging me and supporting me in this process. I also want to thank my parents for encouraging me. I want you to know that I am always there to help you and support you in every possible way which I can. Thank you and have a good day ahead.
Next in line, we invite the head girl, Ananya Gupta.
A leader is the one who knows the way, goes the way and shows the way. Now I realized the gravity of this code as one of the most important actions a leader can do is to lead by example. Hello and good morning to the respected teachers and all my dear friends. I am Ananya Gupta, head girl of New Horizons Scholars School for the academic year 2021 and 2022. It is a matter of great distinction to be humbled by the faith reposed by you all in me as the head girl of such an eminent school. And for this, I would like to thank all those who believed in me and my abilities to lead the school. Scholar writes, we are strong enough, blessed with our own talents. For me, it is important to acknowledge that your success lies in drawing from each other's strength, rather than overcoming the challenges alone. What I have believed as the head girl is, surround yourself with good people, those who will celebrate and motivate. Ask for help when needed. You are at a place which encourages you to do so. Now having said that, this goes down both the ways. I promise you all to be approachable, to seek each and every query regarding the issues you face, and will assure to help everyone as much as possible. Let's take our school to greater heights of success and rule out the journey together. Thank you so much and have a great day.
Now, we invite the head boy, Master Adit Katoch from grade 12A.
Warm greetings to everyone. I am Adit Kadus, the head boy of New Horizons College School Thane for the academic year 2021-2022. I'd like to extend my sincere thanks to my principal and all the teachers who inculcated such capabilities in me so that I felt confident to discharge all my duties and responsibilities as the head boy of this prestigious school. I would like to thank students who trusted me and believed in my vision. I stand here to work in collaboration with each one of you to reach greater heights. Last but not the least, I and the newly elected council will work persistently for the excellence of the school. Thank you.
We congratulate all the student leaders with their promise to lead the school towards perfection in all our activities.
Now, I would like to invite our Honorable Chief Guest, Dr. Jyoti Nair, for the vote taking.
I,
Adit Kadus, the head boy.
Ananya Gupta, the head girl.
Aditya Vangankar, the junior head boy.
Divya Sindwani, the junior head girl.
Nandini Lahoti, Earth House captain.
Shreya Raja, Earth House vice captain.
Shreya Kulkarni, Jupiter House captain.
Vehan Tiwari, Jupiter vice captain.
Gargi Kruge, Mars House captain.
Arya Pradhan, Mars House vice captain.
Sachi Sinha, Neptune House captain.
Isha Mohorkar, Neptune House vice captain.
the newly elected council members of New Horizons Scholars School Thane,
The newly elected council members of New Horizons Scholars School Thane
do solemnly pledge in the presence of God and our schoolmates to abide by the rules and regulations that govern our institution. I promise to serve my fellow students and school sincerely. I will endeavor to be perfect role model of discipline. I will actively take part in the school activities and strive to bring laurel and glory to it. As a prefect, I will uphold loyalty to the traditions and ethos of the school. I affirm that I will always honor the faith and trust imposed on me and work selflessly and tirelessly for the prestige of our school.
I hope that these young leaders will uphold the values of our school while keeping the school's flag flying high, while also discharging their duties honestly and impartially. Now, I invite Krishna from grade 12 to present a mono act before us.
Only I can fight it. I will join hands with all of you and we will help the school in every aspect of its working so that the school functions smoothly. I am the power. If I rise to help others, others will learn and help too. Let us come together and conduct all the activities and events. Let us take the pledge to be the winners. Let us do our duties and let us be responsible for our actions, so much so that we lead the school beyond its horizons. Let us take pride in our work and look beyond. Let us be positive. Let us hope for good things to happen. Let us fight this pandemic together. Let us be united in all the activities of our school to show the world we did it. We could do it and we can fight it till everything is normal.
Such a wonderful acting, Krishna. Now, I would like to call our multifaceted regional director, principal, chief guest, Dr. Jyoti Nair, to say a few words to boost the morale of our newly elected council body.
A very good day to all my dear students, parents and teachers. Investiture ceremony is one of the most prestigious and cherished moments for all the elected prefects of school parliament. A child learns the first lesson of leadership at school. Leadership means responsibility, and responsibility means the ability to respond to any situation in life. In this time of COVID-19, the challenge of virtual election process was seemingly difficult, but it was made possible by our computer teacher, and thank you to all the teachers for their planning and execution. All the students who stood for the election went through a grilling process. Right from the registration, interview, outlining their objectives and vision, going through campaigning process, and finally casting the vote, and all these efforts from you have helped to bring in this day. The entire procedure of election was an exercise where the students of grade 6 to 12 got to experience how leaders are selected in a democracy. New Horizons Scholars School promotes skills for leadership by identifying leaders, developing qualities and empowering them. Congratulations to all of you, and consider this to be the first step on the journey of your life, keeping in mind the responsibility which your schoolmates have entrusted on you, and as you honor them, you will emerge as a strong human being. I truly believe that leaders are one who walks the talk, which means you have to practice what you preach. You have to set examples before you expect them to become one. Also, the biggest strength of a leader is in keeping the team and community together. So you have to be fair, committed, sensitive, compassionate, as this journey will demand your grit and determination. Another quality of leader which is very, very important is integrity. Now, integrity means doing the right thing even when no one is watching. So it's not about obeying the traffic signal when the traffic police is there. Integrity is obeying the traffic signal even when the traffic police is not around. This reminds me of a story that I came across few days back. Once a king wanted to select Prime Minister for his kingdom. He had 3 ministers in his court, and all 3 had the capability to become the Prime Minister. So to make sure that he is not biased to any of them, he individually called all the 3 ministers and said he wants them to go and get the most exotic and tasty fruits in the kingdom. Each of the ministers thought that this was a task given only to them. They were not aware of that the king had given the task to the other 2 ministers also. The king gave each of them 100 gold coins and 3 days and a big sack to complete the task. The first minister started thinking about how to keep some of the gold coins. So he bought a few good fruits and kept on top, and at the bottom he filled it with lot of rotten fruits. He decided that if the king asked, he will say that he had brought all good fruits, but probably it got spoiled due to some reason. That way he will get to keep maximum of the gold coins and the king will not know. The second minister was also thinking on similar lines. He filled the sack with leaves, and on the top he kept some fruits which he purchased, and that way he saved a lot of gold coins for himself. The third minister thought Probably the king asked for these exotic fruits for his family. Else, why would he specially give him the task? He said that, being the case, he has to get the best fruits. So he spends all the 3 days hunting for the best fruits, and he came with a sack full of best and the most exotic fruits. After 3 days, all of them assembled before the king, and they were surprised to see each other. The king asked his security head to lock all 3 of them in 3 different rooms for a month with their respective sack of fruits. He said he will meet them after 30 days, and whoever survives will become his next prime minister. All 3 were surprised, as they never thought that this could be a test for becoming a prime minister. But there was no escape. All 3 were locked up, and you must have guessed by now what happened. Both the first and the second minister could not survive more than 10 days. The third minister continued to stay inside as he survived with the best of fruits. After 30 days, the king called the third minister and announced him as the prime minister, who was surprised and asked the king why he made them undergo the test. The king said, "The biggest quality of any leader is integrity and honesty." He continued, "All 3 of you had a choice. Both of them faced the consequence of their choice, and you are going to enjoy the consequence of your choice. So, my dear children, all of you have a choice in life, but I am sure you will choose the path taken by the third minister. And remember, you have one more big responsibility, and that is to create more leaders. Also collect all the beautiful experiences that you will come across in your task, and may you become an inspiration and example for others. I would like to sum it up by saying, dream it, believe it, see it, plan it, action it, enjoy it, and win it. All the best. God bless you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am, for your inspiring words. Your words of wisdom radiate a source of energy within us. We will strive to realize your thoughts into actions. Next, I invite Omkar from grade 12F to say the vote of thanks.
Good morning to one and all present here today. I, Omkar Joshi, am extremely privileged to propose the vote of thanks on behalf of my school and the student council. I would like to start by expressing my immense gratitude towards our esteemed regional director and principal madam, Dr. Jyoti Nair, and our vice principal madam, Mrs. Poonam Arora. I would like to appreciate Arjun sir for the online electoral processes, Aarti ma'am for her help in technicalities, and Ansuya ma'am for the script and this seamless program. I would like to thank all the teachers for their support and cooperation, the council members, comparers, participants, and all the people who took part in the voting. I would also take a moment to thank all the support and non-teaching staff for their immense contribution to this event. Once again, I would like to thank Dr. Jyoti Nair for gracing up this occasion and for that overwhelming speech, and to Mrs. Poonam Arora for supporting and motivating students throughout the journey. At the end, I would like to say that as we express our gratitude, we must know that the highest appreciation is not to utter words of kindness, but to live by them. Thank you.
Now, I would request everyone to rise for the national anthem.